And so their birth chart and astrology and tarot gives them a way to lock into something outside of themselves to essentially rebuild their intuition. And so I asked them during the consultation, one, how they even feel about themselves, if they actually trust themselves, because a lot of the work has to come from trusting themselves. I really make sure that my clients know that I am just the conduit. They're the one doing all the work. I'm the one giving them the tools. I'm the one that giving them the resources, but that they have to believe that they have the capacity within themselves. And then we just build that capacity through different tools.